So welcome back to another Young Blooms tutorial on YouTube. Thank you for joining, thank you for watching. Just wanted to talk you through this tutorial that I've done for the flower school. So this is a candelabra covered in flowers, and there's not an ounce of oasis anywhere near it. So these are, apart from the orchids, all British flowers grown in our garden. The foliage is from the market, but the method is genius, and it's something that I have developed. So there you go, give you a kind of full-on look. Just really quirky, quite fun colours, but just overall quite a statement. So, like I say, you know, this is a mechanic that uses no oasis whatsoever, and I'm a real fan of doing that, of creating mechanics. But it takes me time, you know, and it takes me experimenting. It takes me sort of discovering what things can do. It's, you know, moments when I'm driving the car and thinking, oh yeah, why don't I use that? I saw something on Pinterest about this kind of method and thought, actually, that would work for no floral foam. Perfect, I'll give it a try. And then it took me a couple of weeks to find what I needed, but I found it, and I've done 2 or 3 tutorials on the flower school now using this. And this, I mean, this is quite bonkers, you know, this is quite full on. It's not something you'd have at home, but it's something, I mean, I do candelabras for weddings, and it's something that you could use for event use, and it's larger scale. And that's the thing with the flower school, is I want to cover, you know, from everything from the basics to larger scale stuff like this, just because it's fun, you know. And I think it's important that as anyone develops in business, that they begin to tackle bigger stuff, they begin to think about bigger stuff, and being able to attempt it. So the school will give you the grounding that you need to be able to look at this stuff and think, actually, I can do this, because it's only through experimentation that I've been able to do this and work it out. So yeah, just really lovely, and this is a very short one. I'm not really going to show you much, but just be inspired by this rather beautiful creation. And it's taken me, you know, most of the morning to work on it, make sure the tutorial's right, make sure, you know, people can see everything that I'm doing. And with every tutorial you get a PDF of just all the materials that I've used, measurements of stuff that need measurements, all the kind of tools that you will, a list of all the tools that you'll need. So yeah, I was quite pleased with this morning's work. I just wanted to show that to you. And as always, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking and sharing the YouTube videos. I think I'm nearly at 1,000 now, which is really exciting. So thank you, I really appreciate it. So look forward to seeing you next time.